So we're trying to find the slope here at x equals 0.5. Ooh, my pen's freaking out again. Hello, pen. That was cool. So the slope at 0.5 there, and we're going to do that by just taking points on each side of 0.5. So 0.3 and 0.7 are 2/10 on either side, and then 0.4 and 0.6, 2/10 on either side. And so those 2 points, those set of 4 points will give me slopes that are going to get closer to the actual one. And again, the problem is slope at a point is to find slope, you need 2 points. How do you find slope with only 1 point? And the answer is you look for a pattern with other points. So for part A, my first slope, change in y, is going to be that 1 over 0.7 minus 1 over 0.3, right? Subtract those 2 y values. And in the denominator, we're going to have 0.7 minus 0.3. And we're going to see what that is. We'll need a calculator for that. And then for part B, similar, 2 points that are closer to x equals 0.5. So that would be 1 over 6/10 minus 1 over 4/10. Oops, wrong place. Divided by 6/10 minus 4/10. And I am going to just nuke this one. Maybe, yes. So f of x, so a couple ways I can type it. I could just enter my 1 over x here. Whoa, that came out weird. Must have missed the equal sign. Not z, x, there we go. And for my slope, remember slope is a fraction, so I hit the slash on my keyboard to get a fraction there. And I want for the first one, f of 0.7 minus f of 0.3 using function notation divided by 0.7 minus 0.3. So I get negative 4.7619 blah, 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 just to double check. Before I wrote it as 1 over 0.7 minus 1 over 0.3 divided by 0.7 minus 0.3. And whoa, what did I do wrong there? Why didn't this come out the same? Gary's having typing problems because he missed his decimal point. There we go. And see, it doesn't matter which way I type it. But I like function notation in case it's a complicated function, so I don't have to retype all of that stuff with a number. It makes my life easier. So then the other one, oops, fraction first, and f of the other one was 0.6 minus f of 0.4. We move a little closer to 0.5 on each side. And on the bottom, 0.6 minus 0.4. Did I type it right? All right. So we have negative 4.7, then it becomes negative 4.166. So the slope at the point, let's plot that point, 0.5 comma f of 0.5. The slope at that point, maybe it's 4 or negative 4. Sorry, we're definitely downhill right there. And now we're not asked to guess at the slope. We're just asked to use those to get the slope on each side. Answer to 3 decimal places. Your numbers might be a little bit different. So my first one, negative 4.762. So this one was approximately wavy equals negative 4.1, no, 4, oops, alt tab, 4.762. And this one down here was approximately negative 4.167 to 3 decimal places. All right, so use your calculator carefully.